Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. The Justice Department on Monday said that it was working with officials in the United Arab Emirates on a way forward following the arrest of two Gupta brothers in the UAE. The brothers are wanted on corruption allegations in South Africa, and the country has been trying to have them extradited to stand in a local court. The Justice Department confirmed the news that Rajesh and Atul Gupta were arrested in Dubai. The department's spokesperson said the Ministry of Justice and Correctional Services confirms that it has received information from law enforcement authorities in the United Arab Emirates that the fugitives of Justice Rajesh and Atul Gupta have been arrested. South Africa will continue to cooperate with the UAE on the matter. Perry has cautioned that while they were optimistic the extradition process might take some time, he said this will not be a process that will be easy. It will be challenged at every step, but we do have a very capable team and they have great experience at extradition. South Africans will recall that we have extradited people from jurisdictions like the United Kingdom previously, so we do anticipate that we will in this regard also be successful in extraditing these individuals at the time when the process starts. He also told the Eyewitness News that what I can confirm is that we have been informed by the UAE authorities that they have been arrested, and this is on the strength of our request for them to be found via our Interpol request. The Gupta brothers' arrest comes almost a year after Interpol issued a red letter notice for their arrest last year. This is major news for South Africa. South Africans are eager to see justice for what has been found to be widespread corruption and looting. So what does this mean to Duduzane Zuma? Will he be arrested too? Black Twitter is on fire. They want Duduzane Zuma to be arrested, who is the son of former President Jacob Zuma. Someone reacted to the news and wrote, Atul and Rajesh Gupta arrested. Next up should be Duduzane Zuma. He was after all director on 13 of 16 companies the Gupta had. If there are money laundering charges, he too should account. As Kali, Cyril must also be arrested for laundering. Arrest them all, even VPS launderers. Yo, it's tough. So if they arrest Cyril Ramaphosa, Didi Mabuza will be president of this country. Someone shared something that is so interesting and we should all think about it for real. He said, you people are too weak. A whole week of Ramaphosa scandals, and he placed the Gupta's card and quickly shifted your focus, and now you're calling for Zuma, Duduzane Manye, and others arrest. Here you so weak, stupid. Someone also said the Guptas have been arrested. Whoever would have thought? Ziyakhala ke manje. Where is Duduzane? One also said this whole Gupta being arrested rumor is a lie. They are trying to divert media attention from Ramaphosa. What if they are lying to us? What's your take on this particular issue, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more news.